Good noon, friends. Welcome back. I have some new molds today and I'm very, very excited about them. These are letter molds. Let me hold them up for you to see. And they're very detailed. I wonder if you could see the, yeah, you can kind of see the detail better from the back. So I'm going to give these a shot today. My main concern here is that the cutout for the letters, it's just a border. So those are deeper than the cutouts, it feels like, for the surrounding area. But we're going to give it a shot and see anyway. So my plan is to dust them with silvery white mica powder. So I have a big brush here to do that. But I also have, this is like a eyeliner brush from Wet n Wild. And I'm hoping that with this tip I can get into those cracks and crevices deeper a little bit. And then, because this is silvery white, I figured a black resin would look best. So that's the plan for today. I'm really hoping that these will work because these would make great keychains or even ornaments, like Christmas tree ornaments. So if you have family members that you want to make these for, you can, you know, do their last initial or their first initial, or hell, spell out their whole name if you want. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started dusting this. I'll fast forward through that process and the pouring, and then we will be back for the unmolding. So enjoy the time lapse. Alright guys, these are ready to unmold. I'm nervous, as always. Okay, let's start. Actually, let's do this. Let's unmold it this way. That way you guys can see it before I can. How does it look? Let me know. What do you think? Is it great or is it ugly? Ooh, it's sharp. I can tell you that. It kind of hurt my fingers just then. Oh, I'm seeing a little bit of them. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. I obviously didn't fill in the $sign. Who needs that? Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, they turned out so great. Come on, camera. Show the greatness. Dude, I love this. Yes. That's so pretty. Oh. Man, these turned out perfect. I'm barely seeing any micro bubbles. Oh, these are going to be perfect. Okay, let's do the set next. They are very sharp, I gotta say. These corners, whew. They've almost got like a pewter tone to them. If you're a younger viewer, you may not know the word pewter. Oh no, was that a... No, okay, that's meant to be like that. I thought that was a big bubble in the queue. But if you look at it on the mold, and then right next to the mold, that is actually how it's supposed to look. Okay. Wow. You guys, I am impressed. And I don't get impressed any more than I usually yeah, okay. I impress myself a lot. I always feel like I can't do something right, and then it turns out okay, and it's like, oh, I guess maybe I can do something kind of right. That looks like a hole in it, but it's like a hole in the top? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Get them out already, Megan. We're not here for your antidotes. Okay. So, what do you guys think? Let's zoom in here a little bit. What do you think? Oh my goodness. They are just so pretty. Oh, they're perfect. Oh, they're so cool looking. I love them. These are extremely sharp though. I got some spillover on this one. I had a couple that I overfilled a little bit, so I just need to do a quick cleanup. You just peel the extra resin off of it and it's fine. These are very sharp though. So I would say, like, keep away from children and pets, and also keep away from your careless aunts and uncles who trip a lot when they walk. Because you know us clumsy people, man, if we find a way to hurt ourselves, we will do it. I know this because I am this. Okay. But anyway, I mean, I think they just turned out fantastic. I had seen on the Amazon reviews, some people were complaining that the letters were inset on the actual piece and not in the mold. I like that. I think that that would be perfect to if you wanted to do like a white base and then fill in a different color on the letter with resin after it comes out. You could totally do that. I think they turn out fantastic. I could not be more happy with this mold set. I will, of course, as always, have it linked down below along with anything else that I used in this video. And yeah, that's about all I have for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. It helps me out. Also, if you like content like this and want to see more, just stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching me today, and I hope that you have an awesome day. Take care, guys.